just flew in from Los Angeles to see Dina. I've been a client of Dina's for 25 years, and I continue, even though I have moved to LA, to test with Dina online for every 2 months, and I make a point of coming back every 6 months to mud pack. I look a little crazy right now, but I came in for a weekend of wellness because I found mold in the cottage that I'm living in Santa Monica. I started to not feel well, headaches, congestion, and I got a really bad sinus infection, which I have never gotten. So Dina tested me and she said, get on a flight, and here I am looking crazy. But within about an hour or two, and now at the end of the weekend, having been mud packed, I feel like a new person. And Dina's going to explain the medical aspects of what I just went through.
Hello, everyone. So Susan is a very dear client and friend of mine, and she's been with me, as she mentioned, for many years. When she had mentioned about the mold in the cottage, I told her we will have to definitely, test you to see where we would do the mud packing to help you. And she had mentioned when she came in that she had a serious sinus infection and was all congested, even her ears were blocked. So by applying the mud, as you can see, the mud is very powerful at removing toxins like mold, bacteria, viruses. And even though it's a topical application, because it's an ionizing mud, it's able to pull out even heavy metals, pesticides, and what have you. And many of you know that we detox through the liver and through the intestinal tract. So of course we always support people when they're doing the mud pack so they don't get nauseous or get headaches or detox symptoms. And Susan has done amazingly well, and she said she feels so much better.